So I come up to Buffalo, where my kids go to college, and I meet a friend who happens to know very well the Salino firm. And she mentioned, obviously it's a very good firm, great reputation. I said, well, I have a situation where I had an injury and I've been thinking about continuing to follow through on this accident. From there, she gave me a contact at the firm. I called and I was connected to a wonderful attorney, Pajak. He's a wonderful attorney who's very responsive. And I found it really interesting that, an attorney would pick up the phone and answer your call. I was really impressed by that. I'm like, I've dealt with attorneys practically all my life, and I said, this attorney is different. I mean, I know the level of Mr. Pajak that he holds at the firm, but when you call and you get him on the phone, it means he cares. I think immediately it's one of the things I actually felt, just to go back to the commercials and the advertising, seeing Mr. Rosalino, how he talked about helping people in the event of an accident to call Salino. But it's true to the word that Mr. Salino talks about in his commercials about helping and all that good stuff. And Pajak demonstrated sort of like that culture, if you will, of how they carry themselves at the Salino law firm. I'm a person that wears my heart on the sleeve. So I felt, wow, if I have an attorney who actually reacts in that form or responds in that manner, he's wearing his heart on his sleeve. And to me, it was phenomenal that I'm like, wow, I really have somebody that really cares, truly cares, down to his assistant, Tracy Falconer, they're so attentive to my needs. And it's been like that all along. I mean, there's not a single time that I've called, sent an email, and I've not had a response. Within 24 hours, I'm getting a call. Or many situations, actually, Greg has answered the phone. Like, he knows I'm calling, he picks up the phone, and Anthony, I'm like, wow, I got my attorney on the phone. It makes you feel like he's really, truly interested from the heart of making sure that he lets you know that he's on your case and he's working for you. I feel very comfortable with that rapport and relationship with Greg. And I've always said, there's no better firm than Salino.